guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn and Food Etc. Today we are making French toast. Yes, the French toast is one of my favorite breakfast recipe and it's really easy and very delicious. It's a good treat for everybody. And so let's go start making some French toast. So for ingredients, we have 1.5 cup milk, 2 tablespoons white sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon butter, sliced white bread, the thicker the better. Fruits, I have blueberry, blackberry, and strawberries, or any fruit you desire to put on your French toast. First thing first, we're going to beat our egg. We can add our milk and mix it. Lastly, we're just going to add our cinnamon powder and whisk it. Next, in our preheated pan, we're just going to put our 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. So while butter is melting in the pan, we can soak up our toast in our egg and milk mixture. Let it soak through, and then we can put it in our pan. Lift our French toast. This is done. We can take it out and make another batch. Here you go, guys. I made 6 pieces of French toast. It smells so good here. Now let's go put it in a plate. A little bit butter on top of the French toast. We can put some blackberries, strawberry slices, and some blueberries, and voila, you can enjoy it. Then we can add up a little bit of maple syrup on top. Looks so good and smells so good. Yum. I'm hungry now. Let's go try it. Let's try this yumminess. I'm drooling right now. Now that's breakfast. So good. The fruit, the cinnamon in there, it's very tasty. Yummy breakfast. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like this recipe and give it a try. It's really easy and it's very good. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please put a comment down below what you think about this recipe, if you tried it. And hope to see you again on my next video. Take care.